Hello and welcome to another session in mathematics. In this session we'll be looking at percentage. But before that, let us take a review of our previous lesson. Welcome back. In this study, we'll be focusing on the introductory part of percentage, and then what we'll call percentage increase and decrease. Percentage increase and decrease. Okay, let us start. The word percentage simply means the ratio or fraction or proportion with 100 as the denominator. Okay, for instance, if we talk about 8%, it's just 8 over 100. Then when we have something like let's say 3% is just 3 over 100, otherwise written as 3%. Is that correct? If you're asked to express 2 over 5 as a percentage, what do we need to do? All we need to do here is just to multiply 2 over 5 by 100 over 1, and then we divide to get the value. Okay, that will give us 2 over 5 times 100 over 1, and that will give us 200 divided by 5, which is what? 40%. Do we understand? Then if we are given a number like this, say 0.084, for us to express as a percentage, you will agree with me that 0.084 is something as 84 all over, this is 1, then 0, 0, 0, so have 0, 0, 0. Okay, 84 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.084. Okay, and then this is now 84 all over 1000 times 100 over 1, and that will give us 8.4%. Okay, that's what we need to know about percentage. That's how percentage works. Let us quickly take an example. It says, in a class of 60 students, 18 were absent. What percentage was present in a class of 60 students? So number of total students is how many? Is 60. Number of absent students was 18, and then those that are present should then be present will now be 60 minus 18, and 60 minus 18 will give us what? 42. Is that correct? So to get the percentage of the students that was present, it will now be 42 divided by 60, which is the total number of students, times 100 over 1. Is that correct? And then that will give us 70%. Okay, that's how percentage works. So let's quickly go to what we call percentage increase and decrease. Percentage increase and percentage decrease. Okay, a percentage increase is the additional parts to a quantity out of what? A denominator of 100. An additional part to a quantity out of a denominator of 100. Why percentage decrease is the reduction, mark the word reduction, by a given part out of what? 100. And when we talk about percentage increase, we talk of addition. When we talk about percentage decrease, we talk of what? Reduction. So let us quickly take some examples on this. We have a question on the screen. A contractor supplied particular goods at $2,500 last year, but supplied it at $2,750 this year. And the question is, what is the percentage increase? What is the percentage increase? Okay, let us start. Last year the price was 2,500, and then in this year we have our price to be what? 2,750. Is that correct? So the increase would then be 2,750 minus 2,500, and that will give us what? 250 US dollars. Is that correct? So the percentage increase is equal to increase all over original times 100 over 1. Okay, and then that will give us 250 divided by what's the original price, 2,500 times 100 over 1, and we'll have our answer to be what? 10. So we have 10%. So the percentage increase is what? Is 10%. Okay, let us take the second example that has to do with percentage decrease. It says the side of a square is decreased from 21 cm to 20 cm. Calculate the percentage decrease in its area to 2 decimal places. To 2 decimal places. Okay, let us start. The original measurement is 21 cm. Is that correct? The area of a square, considering the original measurement area, would then be equal to 21 times 21. Is that correct? You know that all the size of square is equal, so the area would then be 21 times 21, and then that will give us 441 cm squared. Okay, now the decreased measurement is 20 cm. Okay, and the area when decreased would then be 20 times 20 instead of 21 times 21 here. When it is decreased, it becomes 20 cm. So we have 20 times 20, which is 400 cm squared. So the percentage decrease is equal to 441, which is the original area, minus 400, which is the decreased area, all over 441, the original area, times 100 over 1. Okay, so 441 minus 400 will give us 41 over 441 times 100 over 1, and then that will give us 9.30%. Okay, so that's the basic understanding you need to have on percentage. Okay, so to refresh your memory on what we've done so far, kindly provide the answer to the following questions on the screen. Welcome back. So far we've been able to define percentage, and we've solved some examples on percentage. We've also solved some examples on percentage increase and percentage decrease. We'll stop here for today. Do well to use the lesson note on the platform for better understanding and information of what we've just done today, and feel free to leave a question or comment on the comment section. Till we meet again in our next class, stay safe and bye.